This is Alice. She is a 29-year-old woman. She is a nurse, so she works at a hospital helping people who are ill. Alice is very friendly and kind. She loves spending time with her family and with people at the hospital. She loves being with other people because she is very sociable. Physically, Alice is short and thin. She has got long, dark hair. Her eyes are small and blue. She usually wears comfortable clothes when she is working because she works a lot of hours at the hospital. Alice lives in Manchester, a big city in the north of England. She lives in a house in a village near the city. She doesn't spend a lot of time at home because she works a lot of hours at the hospital. In her free time, she likes to go for long walks in the countryside. She likes to see the birds, the water, the trees, and the flowers. Alice's family lives in Manchester too. They meet and have dinner together once a month. They like to spend their birthdays together too. Alice has a sister. Her sister is 22 years old. She is a student at university. She is studying medicine because she wants to be a doctor. Alice's hobby is playing the piano. When she was a child, she went to piano lessons. Now she plays the piano at home. She is very good at it. Alice loves listening to music. Her favorite types of music are pop and rock. Her favorite singer is Chris Martin. Chris Martin is in the band called Coldplay. He sings and he plays the piano. Alice has a pet. She has a dog. Her dog is called Max. He is brown and white. He loves to run and play in the garden. Max is 2 years old, so he is a young dog. His favorite food is biscuits. He loves going for a walk in the countryside. When he goes for a walk, he takes his ball because he loves to play. Alice's favorite day of the week is Sunday because she doesn't work at the weekend. She normally goes for a walk, plays the piano, or reads a book on Sundays. It is a very relaxing day. Her favorite season is spring because there are a lot of flowers and butterflies everywhere. Butterflies are her favorite animal. Also, it isn't very cold in the spring. The weather is usually nice, so she can spend time in her garden. But her favorite month of the year is July because she goes on holiday in that month. Alice usually goes to a hot country in the summer because she loves the beach. Last year, she went to France. In France, she went to the beach. It was very hot, so she swam in the sea. In the afternoon, she went to the swimming pool. The swimming pool was in her hotel. There was a restaurant in the hotel, so Alice had her breakfast, lunch, and dinner there. Now we are going to see the questions. I want you to answer these questions and write them in the comment section. Then I can correct your answers. Question number 1. What is Alice's job? Question number 2. Where does she live? Question number 3. Does Alice have a pet? Question number 4. What type of music does she like? Question number 5. What is her favorite day of the week and why? And finally, question 6. What is her favorite season and why? I hope you enjoyed listening to this video. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.